Have you ever pondered what might happen if our compasses suddenly pointed south instead of north? Intriguing, isn't it? This concept isn't a fanciful whim of a science fiction author, but rather a scientific reality known as geomagnetic reversal. Our planet, Earth, is like a giant bar magnet with a north and south magnetic pole. These poles aren't fixed in place, no siree. They wander, and every several 100,000 years or so they swap places entirely. This phenomenon is what we call a geomagnetic reversal, or in simpler terms, the flipping of Earth's magnetic poles. The magnetic field of our Earth is generated deep within its core. The outer core, a sea of molten iron and nickel, churns and flows around the solid inner core. This movement generates electric currents, which in turn create our planet's magnetic field. Now, imagine a time-lapse of Earth's magnetic field over hundreds of thousands of years. You'd see the magnetic poles meandering around, occasionally sprinting towards the equator, before making a beeline back towards their customary spots. Then, every now and then they do the unexpected, a complete flip. But what happens when the poles flip? Well, it's not as dramatic as Hollywood might have you believe. No, the oceans won't boil and gravity won't cease to exist, but the magnetic field does weaken significantly during a reversal, which could have some interesting implications. For one, our beautiful northern and southern lights would be visible from different places on the planet. More importantly though, a weaker magnetic field means less protection from solar radiation, which could affect our technology and possibly even our climate. So, to sum up, Earth's magnetic poles are not fixed. They wander, and occasionally they flip entirely in an event known as a geomagnetic reversal. This flipping is caused by the churning of molten iron and nickel in Earth's outer core, which generates our magnetic field. During a reversal, this field weakens, potentially affecting our protection from solar radiation and even our climate. But don't start packing your apocalypse kit just yet. These reversals happen over hundreds of thousands of years, and the next one isn't due for a while. So for now, your compass can continue to point north with confidence. Fascinating, isn't it?